We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section probability, and the problem is on the probability function. This question has appeared in JEE Main examination held on 25th July 2021 in the second shift. The problem is, let x be a random variable such that the probability function of a distribution is given by probability when x is equal to 0 is equal to 1 by 2, probability function of capital X is equal to j is equal to 1 by 3 power j. J takes the values 1, 2, 3, etc. ad infinity. Then the mean of the distribution and the probability function of the random variable x is positive and even respectively, or the four options are given to us. Option 1, 3 by 4 and 1 by 8. Option 2, 3 by 4 and 1 by 9. Option 3, 3 by 4 and 1 by 16. And option 4, 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. We now recall the following. If a random variable x takes the values x1, x2, xn with the probabilities p1, p2, pn respectively, then this is the table, and this is known as the probability distribution of x. The probability distribution here, the distribution is p1, p2, pn, that is the probability distribution of the random variable x. This table gives the probability distribution of x. The mean is denoted by x bar of x, and it is defined as the mean x bar is equal to p1 x1 plus p2 x2 plus etc. plus pn xn, that is summation I is equal to 1 to n pi into xi. We now get into the problem. We have a random variable x and the probability distribution is given by the probability of x taking the value 0 is 1 by 2. The probability of x taking the value j is equal to 1 by 3 power j, for j is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. This is the probability distribution, and random variable x taking the values x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. The probability function of capital X, they are denoted by p0 at x0, p1, p2, p3, p4 respectively. At x0 is equal to 0, p0 is 1 by 2, x1 is 1, p1 is 1 by 3 power 1, 1 by 3, x2 is 2, 1 by 3 square, x3 is 3, p3 is 1 by 3 cube, so on and so forth. That's the probability distribution, the given probability distribution of the random variable x. And the mean of the distribution denoted by x bar, and x bar is given by p0 x1 x0 plus p1 x1 plus p2 x2 plus p3 x3 plus etc. ad infinity. And that is equal to p0 is 1 by 2 into x0 is 0, p1 is 1 by 3 into x1 is 1 plus 1 by 3 square into 2 1 by 3 cube into 3, 1 by 3 power 4 into 4. So x bar is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 square plus 3 by 3 cube. This is not 3 square, this is 3 cube, plus 4 by 3 power 4. And the probability function of the random variable x when x is positive and x is even is given by P of capital X is equal to 2 plus P of capital X is equal to 4 plus P of capital X is equal to 6. And this value is 1 by 3 square, this value 1 by 3 4 plus 1 by 3 power 6, so on and so forth. Now, we now compute the x bar. X bar we have already seen 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 square plus 3 by 3 cube plus 4 by 3 power 4 plus so on and so forth. Probability of x when x, the random variable x is positive, x takes the values positive and even is given by this, and that is equal to 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 6. We compute these values. Now, to evaluate x bar, we do the normal technique. The technique is that we multiply throughout by 1 by 3 and subtract. And now place 1 by 3 square under 2 by 3 square and 2 by 3 cube under 3 by 3 cube and so on and so forth like this. So now subtracting, we'll get x bar minus x bar by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 square minus 1 by 3 square is 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 cube plus 1 by 3 power 4 plus so on and so forth. And x bar minus x bar by 3 is 2 times x bar by 3, and on the right hand side we have the geometric series with the first term a is equal to 1 by 3 and the common ratio r is equal to 1 by 3 less than 1. In such a situation, the sum formula is a by 1 minus r, that is equal to 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. Simplifying, we get 1 by 2. And this is the value of 2x bar by 3. Therefore, x bar is equal to 3 by 4. So, the mean of the distribution x bar is 3 by 4. Now, P of x is positive and even. We have already seen that it is equal to 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 3 power 4 plus 1 by 3 power 6 plus so on and so forth. And we see that this is the sum of the geometric series with the first term a is equal to 1 by 3 square. The common ratio r is equal to 1 by 3 square less than 1. And the formula is a by 1 minus r, that is 1 by 3 square by 1 minus 1 by 3 square. Simplifying, we get 1 by 8. So, the mean of the distribution and the probability function of the random variable x when x is positive and even respectively are 3 by 4 and 1 by 8. Let's look at our options, and our answer 3 by 4 and 1 by 8 appears against option 1. Therefore, our answer is option 1. So that is the solution of the problem from this section, probability, and wherein we are required to find the mean of the probability distribution and P of the random variable x when x is positive and x is even is obtained. And I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. I wish you all the best. Thank you.